Welcome. In this video, I'll present how to activate and observe the functions of your Varia and see how it actually works using the demo mode of this device. So to activate the demo mode, we have to connect our Varia with our smartphone using the Varia application that you can download either from the Google Play Store or App Store if you're using an iPhone. Make sure that your device is paired with your smartphone. Now the next thing that we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to return back to the home screen, and we're gonna have to turn off this device by holding down the power button for a couple of seconds. Okay, we will lose the connection. Now we're gonna have to re-enable this device by holding down the power key for about 7 seconds until the LED indicator starts blinking green and amber colors like this. And this will enable the demo mode. And after a while, we will start seeing some artificially created vehicles and see how this device works in practice. So as you can see, it basically shows you the vehicles approaching from the back. To give you an idea of how to use this device in practice. And we can still manage our device by adjusting the light mode. And if you want to disable the demo mode, you simply have to press and hold the power button for another 3 seconds until your device turns off. Or maybe longer. Oh, I think I didn't press it. Okay. Now let's simply re-enable it and let it reconnect with our smartphone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.